Today I'm going to tell you how to fix marketplace option is not showing in PC or laptop. If you are using PC or laptop and you're facing the issue that in your Facebook and marketplace option is not showing. So let's see some possible fixes for this. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. Just open it. The process might be pretty same for both. And here, in your mobile phone, you might get the marketplace section sometime over here, or sometime in your menu section. But in your PC, the step is different. I think it might be changed. You just have to click on the see more option over here, or in this left sidebar, you might get marketplace over here. Or also, you can try to click on see more and just scroll down, and you might get marketplace over here. You can access it from here. So just simply click on it and you can easily access your marketplace in this section. So this is the way you can easily access your marketplace if your icon is not showing. So you might get that here in your PC or in your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.